sana lahat ng mga wishes mo at saka yung mga gusto mong marating sa buhay, sana maging totoo at ma-fulfill mo yung mga gusto mo pang mangyari. You are a very creative person and kitang-kita natin ngayon sa event mo na ikaw nag-isip lahat. Konting-konti ka lang humingi ng tulong sa amin na nag-aantay kaming humingi ng tulong pero kinaya mo mag-isa. So, I think mapupull natin ito ng maayos. And yun lang, sana sa mga susunod, kung kailangan mo ng tulong namin ni Daddy, huwag kang mahihiyang humingi ng tulong. Ganun din kay ate, kasi nandito lang kami lagi sa iyo. Magsabi ka lang talaga. Ayun, basta sana yung mga express mo rin yung gusto mong sabihin sa amin para hindi tayo nagkakapa. Yun lang. Basta nandito kami ni Daddy tsaka ni ate to support you. Happy birthday. I wish you all well, good health, everything. Love you.
Happy birthday, Jewel. Gusto malaman mo na mahal ka namin ni Mami and pati na rin ni Ate Janelle. Sana lumaki ka ng maayos at maging successful ka sa buhay mo, magawa mo yung mga bagay na gusto mo at sana kung may mga problems ka in the future, we are always here to guide you and sabihin mo lang sa amin kung ano yung mga problems mo and then para matulungan ka naman namin. So, wag mong sarilinin yung mga bagay minsan na talagang ikaw lang ang gumagawa ng solution. Basta narito lang kami for you. Lastly, ayun, congratulations sila and mahal na mahal na.
Welcome to this truly special occasion. A night of elegance, grace, and celebration as we gather here to witness the debut of Jill. I am your host for tonight's event and let's make it a night to remember. But of course,
remember this moment.
You are not our little marshmallow anymore, but you know that we love you. And whatever you want to do in life, we will support you, you know that. And legal ka ng uminom, so pwede na tayo mag-road trip at uminom ng bonggang-bongga. So next stop natin, LU na. So I really hope you get to fulfill your dreams, G. So I'm always here for you. And Miggy, of course. Thank you, G. We love you.
Anyway, si G po, as mentioned ni Rick Dredge, BFF po kami ng mommy niya. Since birth, actually. Pinagbubuntis pa lang yata, friends yung mommy niya, saka yung mommy niya, yung lola niya, and my mom. We grew up together, so yung mga escapades namin, getaways, magkakasama kami, maliit pa lang siya. When she was younger, baby pa siya talaga, sobrang namin siyang pinaglalaroan. Tapos, ang hilig niyang sumayaw. I hope natatandaan na ba. Ang hilig niya magsayaw. So, pag nag-staycation kami, pinasasayaw namin siya. So, gusto ni Junior. And also, lagi niyang hinahawakan yung purse ko, kukuhanin niya ang make-up. Ang hilig niya din mag-make. So, siguro kaya mahilig si Jewel mag-makeup. She wants something na colorful. Pero dito sa dibon niya, nakita niya naman, monotone na talagang black. Kasi yung buhay niya kasi, sobrang makulay niya, diba? So, siya yung mag-a-add ng color sa event natin. Tama ba ko, Jewel? Anyways, we wish you all the best. Thank you for trusting us with your story. Yung sinut natin na medyo mahirap, full day tayo, pero we managed to pull through, diba? So, thank you also for your patience and cooperation and for always asking, replying and answering my queries sa'yo.
Hi, Jewel. So, I just want to say one thing, which is, contrary to what others say, I hope you know that it's okay to fall down, it's okay to make mistakes, but what's important is that you know how to stand up again, and I hope you know that I'm always with you.
If you have children someday, when they point to the pictures,
Let us all welcome
please tell them my
as a
name.
woman of Ventura and Ligali.
Tell them how the cross
We go together as we do.
Tell
The
them
lovely,
how
strong, so bright. Good. Feel it. Good.
long live the walls we crashed through. I had the time of my life with you. Long, long live the walls we crashed through. How the kingdom lights shine just for me and you. Now we're screaming, long live all the magic we made, and bring on all the pretenders. I'm not afraid, singing long live all the mountains we made. I had the time of my life fighting dragons with you. And long, long live that look on your face, and bring on all the pretenders. One day we will be remembered.
When I started planning for this debut 8 months ago, I had one clear goal in mind. Naggumawa ng debut like no other. To be specific, a debut na hindi lang tungkol sa saya, hindi lang tungkol sa ngiti, pero makatotohanan. Kaya nga itim eh. Not only because it's my favorite color, but it tells a lot about who we are as people. Kasi as a mental health advocate, mas mabuting maging makatotohanan kaysa pilitin na maging masaya ka palagi. Because that's an unhealthy habit. Yung lagi kang magpipinta ng ngiti sa mukha mo kahit hindi ka totoo, hindi naman totoo. Minsan di natin napapansin pero it's draining us. And yun yung gusto kong i-portray na message. And sana nakuha niyo yun. That's the reason why I opened this event with that film. Balita ko may mga umiyak daw. Kasi yun yung gusto kong sabihin. And look at us, kahit pa sinampal kayo nung realidad na ganun, nakangiti pa rin tayo, not because we want to, but because that's what happens when you become authentic. Hindi mo kailangang ipilit, nangyayari lang. And may papabigay na giveaway mamaya, and it wasn't just a giveaway. Pinag-isipan ko talaga kung ano yun. Related siya sa overall theme. Kasi dito sa gamit na to, may kita niyo yung sarili niya. And yun yung gusto kong i-advocate, na makita niyo yung sarili niyo dun sa bagay na yun. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng tumulong for this event. I was actually hesitant at first. Nakala ko kasi walang pupunta. Sino ba naman ako? De joke lang. Ayun, maraming salamat. I hope magkita-kita ulit tayo. And always remember my message, yung advocacy for today. Kasi hindi ko lang kayo gustong umuwi na masaya. I want that sadness to linger because it should. Thank you.